Hi there, I'm Lian Duan. Welcome back to my channel. We already go through Elasticsearch ELK stack concepts. Use Docker and Docker Compose to install ELK in previous videos. In this video, we are going to install Elasticsearch Kibana Filebeat on Minikube. After install complete, you will have end-to-end test environment. End-to-end test environment means a Nginx-log-generator to generate Nginx-log. Filebeat send the Nginx-log to Elasticsearch and create an index pattern and dashboard template in Kibana. Kibana is able to access Elasticsearch to retrieve data and render the data on the UI. There are two major changes in Filebeat of Kubernetes. First, convert filebeat.docker.yaml file to config map. Second, add service count in Filebeat, because Filebeat auto discovery function uses Kubernetes API to get pod information. Elasticsearch, Kibana, and Nginx-log-generator are same as Docker run command. They only have format convert. The video topics are: show my demo environment detail, introduce target ELK version, install ELK on Minikube step by step, verify Nginx access log in Kibana. If you watch the install ELK use Docker or Docker Compose, you can go to the third topic based on the YouTube timeline. The video related to content and commands are in the GitHub. The link is in below. Let me open the link. Related to the Kubernetes YAML file under the kit.its folder. First topic, demo environment detail. I'd like to show my demo environment. My Linux box is Oracle Linux Server 8.4. My login user is Lian, who is able to run Docker, Minikube, and sudo commands. Let me remote login to my Linux box. You see cat/etc/oracle-release to get Oracle Linux version. Release version 8.4. If you use different Linux version, it's fine. Well, if you're running some errors in your exercise, 90% issue related to permissions, such as file permission or user permission. Minikube version is 1.18.1. The check command is Minikube version. Next, what is target ELK version for my demo? The target ELK version is 7.16.2 because when I create the video, the latest Elasticsearch version is wait beta. Since there is no wait Patron version, I don't think any production environment use the wait version. So I use the latest stable version 7.16.2 in my demo. The link has ELK Docker image information. Next topic, install ELK on Minikube. This is a chart for deployment overview. The deployment has two namespaces, ELK and app. ELK namespace has three parts: Kibana, Elasticsearch, Filebeat. Nginx-log-generator deployed on app namespace. Let me go through the resource in the ELK namespace. First, Kibana. Kibana has two resources, deployment and service. Kibana opened port 5601. I can use the browser to access the port. Also, Filebeat used the 5601 port to create the index pattern, and Filebeat related to dashboard templates. Elasticsearch also has two resources, deployment and service. Elasticsearch opened two ports, 9200s and 9300s. 9200s handled HTTP protocol. 9300s handled TCP protocol. Kibana used the 9200s to access the Elasticsearch to retrieve data. Filebeat used the same port to send the data to the Elasticsearch. Third part, Filebeat. Filebeat has deployment resource, config map resource. Config map has Filebeat config detail, and we mount the config map as a folder in the Filebeat container. I create a service account and bundle the service account to cluster row binding. Because Filebeat uses Kubernetes API to access app namespace to retrieve pod information. Nginx-log-generator is deployed on app namespace. After overview, just go to install them. There are 4 steps to install ELK on Minikube. Let me start the install process. Open the terminal and remote log into my Linux box. Go to the kits folder. The folder has alt YAML file. Use ls command to list the file under the folder. First step, install Elasticsearch. Let me run the command. You see the command is kubectl apply -f plus deployment file name. About link has detail of deployment and service of Kubernetes. The YAML file creates 3 resources: ELK namespace, deployment resource, and service resource. There is a detail. Let me quick go through the YAML file. There's no any special configuration. The service open 2 ports, 9200s and 9300s. Next, open 9200s port forward. Command is kubectl port -forward service /es master service. Port is 9200s. Make the screen bigger. Second step, install Kibana. Command same as before. Just change the file name. Since the resource created in progress, go through the YAML file. Elasticsearch host and port are added. The Elasticsearch host is a service name. Port number is 9200s. In the service side, Kibana open port 5601 for browser access and Filebeat access the port to create index pattern and dashboard templates. Also, let me add the port forward command. Next step, install Nginx-log-generator. Run kubectl command again. 2 resources are created. One is namespace, value is app, and then we deployment the Nginx-log-generator container to the app namespace. Latest, install Filebeat. Command is kubectl apply -f Filebeat deployment.yaml file. There are 2 important things in the YAML file. First, config map. Filebeat.docker.yaml file convert to the Kubernetes config map. In the config map, the config map has Filebeat.autodiscovery session. Under the Filebeat autodiscovery, Kubernetes.namespace equal to app add in the condition section. That means autodiscovery only collection container log belong to the app namespace. Second important thing, create a service account. The account name is Filebeat. Also bundle the service account name in the pod spec. In the cluster row binding, we bundle the service account to the cluster row. The rows use the API default group, able to access namespace, pods, nodes, resource. The action allow get watch list. I will create a separate use for the Kubernetes security. This link has alt Filebeat config detail. Latest, verify Nginx access log in Kibana. Remote log into my Linux box and open the Kibana URL localhost. Port number is 5601. Just go to the stack management menu. Verify the index patterns The menu under the Kibana. Filebeat index pattern is created by Filebeat. Click index measurement menu to check the data. Current log count 5,568. Let me refresh the page. The number should be increased. The number is increased. That means Filebeat collection the log data and send it to the Elasticsearch. Kibana is able to access the Elasticsearch to retrieve all the data. How to see the log data detail? Open the Analytics Discovery menu. There is log detail. Open one of them. Click the icon to retrieve the JSON format data and the detail. The latest verify item, dashboard templates. All the dashboard templates are created by Filebeat. Search Ng to find the Nginx access log predefined dashboard. Open it. There's all the detailed information. Also, we can go to the second level dashboard to get more analysis information, such as the pie chart for the client operation system and the client browser. All topics are finished. To summarize what we learned in the video, first, introduce my demo environment. OS is Oracle Linux 8.6. My Minikube version is 1.18.1. Target demo ELK version is 7.16.2. And then demo install ELK on Minikube step by step. Also show how to verify Nginx access log in Kibana. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful, and it was. Do not forget to like it. If you want to be notified whenever new videos come out, then subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or something was not clear in the video, please post them in the comment section below. I'll try to answer. Thank you, and see you next video.